Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell how can you find the area of a circle using Python. So let's get started.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Open any folder. In the address bar type cmd. In command prompt type code dot. This will open Visual Studio Code for you. Create a new file, name it as area.py or any other name that you want to give. To find the area, we need to import the math module. So we need to write import math as m. Then we need to write radius equals to float. In parentheses we need to write input, then parentheses, then enter the radius. This will take our input. Here radius will work as a variable. Then here we will take another variable known as area, which will be equals to m.py multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. As we know that area of the circle is equals to pi r square, so we will write this. Then we need to write print the area of the circle is the area. After completing, save the file and press the run button. As you can see, here we need to enter the radius of the circle. Here I am entering 3 and you can see I have got the radius, means the area. You can also find like this. You can take any other radius as you want. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.